So guys, you're ready with all the three accounts. Now we'll read the adjustment. Okay, there are 500 members each paying annual subscription of rupees 500. So guys, whenever we have this information, okay, there are some X member paying some Y amount of subscription. So it's shown to the outer column of income expenditure. Let us go to the receipt and payment account and see what is the amount of subscription received during the year. The total amount of subscription received is 2,15,000, and this 2,15,000 comprises of last year as well as next year. So I'll minus that 4,000 of last year, as well as I'll minus that 6,000 for the next year. So by doing this, where will I come? I'll come to 2,05,000. That is the subscription of the current year. What do they say? There are 500 members each paying annual subscription of 500, which means 2,15,000 will be going to outer column. And what is the outstanding of current year now? 45,000. Now, if you read ahead, so it is written that rupees 5,000 is still in arrears. Rupees 5,000 is still in arrears. Still, what is important here? Rupees 5,000 are still in arrears. So this 5,000 still in arrear means ये मेरी closing balance sheet में आएगा. It means opening में outstanding subscription was 9,000. Out of that 9,000, 4,000 was received during the year. That means outstanding subscription of last year still in arrear is 5,000. Right? And outstanding of current year was rupees 45,000. Received in advance for next year closing balance sheet liability side 6,000. Okay, so I've completed the point of subscription. Remember that 5,000 still in arrear. Out of 9, 4 was received and 5 is still in arrears. So this still word was important here. Now we'll move to the next adjustment. Next adjustment is municipal taxes amounting to rupees 4,000 per year is paid up to 1st March. And municipal taxes are paid up to 30th June. It means April, May, June, 3 months is prepaid. 3 months is prepaid. So 4,000 is the amount of municipal taxes. Is 4,000 में से 3 by 12, that is 1,000 is prepaid for the next year. For the next year. But it is given in the bracket that municipal taxes at the beginning also 1,000 was prepaid. And next year prepaid will deduct here. So the outer column will be same, 4,000. This outstanding of last year will be shown in opening balance sheet asset side, and that prepaid for next year will be shown in the closing balance sheet asset side. So I completed here my second adjustment, but still one point is left, that is rupees 5,000 are outstanding of salary. Rupees 5,000. So what is the amount of salary you paid during the year? That is 60,000. So income expenditure account में debit side to salary 60,000 and plus that outstanding given in the adjustment 5,000. So outer column 65,000, and this 5,000 which is outstanding, this 5,000 will be shown on in the closing balance sheet liability side, outstanding salary 5,000. Next adjustment is building stood in the books at rupees 5 lakhs. So this building, in the similar building, will write in the closing balance sheet also, because there is no depreciation and no additional purchase or sale of building. So as it is, that fixed asset which are recorded in the opening balance sheet are also recorded. Okay, so we have done with that third adjustment. Now the last adjustment is 6% interest, 5 months. So check on the payment side, the investments given on the payment side is rupees 2 lakh, and this investment will go to the closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet, asset side investments, 2 lakhs, 12,000, and for 5 months it will be 5,000. This is outstanding interest on investment, which is my accrued income shown on the credit of income expenditure account as well as closing balance sheet asset side. So here you can see that closing balance sheet asset side, I'll be recording it in the income expenditure credit side. So here I've completed all my adjustments. Now the only point left is to record the items of income receipt and payment account. Let us start. Opening cash दिया हुआ है, sheet asset side. Opening balance sheet asset side. Subscription is already done. Donation, general donation, so that general donation will be shown on the credit of income expenditure account, 54,000. Then I have proceeds of drama ticket, 95,000. That is also my income. Sale of waste paper is again my income, 4,500. So the receipt side is over. Now we'll shift to the payment side. Expense. So that expense now will be shown on the debit of income expenditure account, rupees 7,500. After that, we have his drama expense, rupees 45,000. It is recurring in nature. So income expenditure debit side, it's again an expense of 15,000. Municipal taxes we have already done. Municipal taxes ke baad we have charity. Okay, that is an expense. Investments already shown in the closing balance sheet. And then we have his electricity charges. It's again an expense, 14,500. Charity ke baad, expenses, electricity expenses ke baad we have his cash in hand. So this cash in hand is closing cash, which will be shown in the closing balance sheet asset side. Cash in hand 90,000. Guys, the sum is over. All the items of receipt and payment are recorded. The adjustments were also done. Now I'm closing the opening balance sheet and finding the difference. The total of the liability I have nothing to deduct. So my capital fund is same, 6,12,500. This capital fund will be taken to the closing balance sheet inner column. Now I'm going to close the income and expenditure account. The total on the credit side is 4,08,500. Out of that, I'll deduct all the expenses. So the excess of income over expense, that is surplus, is 2,22,500. This surplus of 2,22,500 will be added to the closing capital fund, capital fund in the closing balance sheet, and the total to the outer column 8,35,000 plus 11, 8,46,000, the total of the liability as well as the asset side. Right? You have any doubts in this sum? You can please ask me.
So what was the total of income and expenditure account?
4,08,500. Okay, guys, so I'm leaving the meeting here. We have done this sum. And what I want is that you need to do sum number 56 as your homework. Thank you very much for coming. Please be at home and safe.
Bye, sir.